Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. We had a lot of questions about people asking how the dishwasher works. I am not going to give a complete description how everything works. It's quite simple. You can choose your program. So here you put dishwasher up on. Then it gets electricity, and then you can select here the program. You can select auto, eco, 40 degrees, 45 degrees, and I'm not sure what the last one is. I always choose it for high temperature, so I choose the maximum program, 70 degrees. The advantage of this is that the high temperature is much better for disinfecting your plates. If you are using different people on the table, then you put the plates inside the machine, and then the plates get disinfected. Everything about 60 degrees is a little bit disinfection if it is for a long time. So 2 hours on 70 degrees, that's more than enough to disinfect everything. And another advantage because of the high temperature is that the grease is melted much more easier. If you use eco mode 50 degrees, then not all grease melts with it. So the higher the temperature, the easier the grease melts. I believe you also can preset a time here. If you want to start the machine on a later time automatically, then you can choose that. There is a timer on it. I always choose the 70 degrees, and to start it you push here, but I will show you how it works. So this is my dishwasher. Here I put a tablet in for with residue for the cleaning, and then this is the dishwasher. You can put a lot of things into it. I use it for everything. My plates. I also use it for tools from my garage and stuff like that, like screwdrivers and stuff like that. I also clean it inside of it. And then I choose the highest program. So this is that, and then I close it. Here you can put the after wash. So the machine do pre-wash, main wash, and after wash. And this is for the residue, for the how do you call it in English? I don't know the name. It's shine to shine your glasses. So you close it. Here you put it on. When it's on, the electricity is there. I choose completely the 70 degrees program, and to start it, you just have to press here. Voila, and that is it. And then you can see here if there is a problem with your water, then I believe you get a light, or if there is any other problem, you get a light. I refer for you to go to the manual if you need something. It doesn't make that much sound, and it is also possible to open it. So it's possible when it is running to open it and put something extra inside of it. That is easy if you want to clean something too, but make sure that you still have enough time for cleaning. Don't do it the last minute, because otherwise all your plates will get dirty. So never do that on the last time. Do it a half hour before or something. Then it will clean the plate also. So this is the Siemens dishwasher. It's high quality. It is inox, stainless steel. So the steel is high quality. It will not rust. Inside of it is also everything high quality. It has pre-wash, main wash, shining wash, after wash. How do you call it in English? So I like it. It has everything. You also can do salt inside the machine. You can do liquid residue for cleaning, and you can use tablets for cleaning. So all is possible. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes, laptops, smartphones, DAB radios, computer stuff, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of things. You only have to subscribe to our channel, and when you win something, you will be notified, because we pick people from that are subscribed. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye.